Hello everyone, welcome back to CM Bonsai. Okay, I brought in this Chinese privet that I planted these 3 trees over these 3 Chinese god statues. These are all cuttings that I took off another tree and I just stuck them in a pot, and when they started growing I planted them on these 3. I got these 3 statues at a carving sale, and they've been in my shed. As you can see, they're growing pretty well. What I don't want is big heavy branches up the top here, so I'm going to just kind of prune it back, try and reduce the strength on these because they're getting pretty long, pretty thick, so that they don't shadow out these lower branches and we get more ramification and we get rid of these thick branches up here. So we'll start at the top. So I'll just bring the camera up a bit and just going now. I'm going to go right back with some of these, try and reduce the vigour out of it. Also want to check about one's growing in on top of others. That one we can get rid of that. These guys will leave a little bit longer. I'm not too sure yet how long we want these, so I'll just go to there for now. So eventually I will be kind of pruning it as one tree. As you can see, because it's under grow lights, it's growing stronger. This side is not as strong. The grow light is obviously this side, so I'll turn it around now and try and get this side growing a bit stronger. But it won't be long before they can come outside and then they start to really grow better. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get a bit of sun on them. So like I said, this is just to kind of, at the moment, reduce the top foliage a bit, so let a bit more light down to the lower leaves, because there is plenty of light in there. There's 4 grow lights over them, but don't want them shadowing each other out and stuff. And these branches kind of growing in, we'll get rid of them. Let's go to there with that for now, to have a look at it. So I kind of don't want any front to this because obviously there's 3 statues, so we want to try and make it fill out as one tree, looking like one tree kind of a thing. I've interlocked the roots from one statue to the other, like the roots from this tree coming round, and then this part that goes down and another part comes and goes around this tree, this statue, and so on. And amongst it, you see here these ones from this statue are coming round this one, so that eventually they will all just grow as one root mass around the statues. Okay, we're just going to go in here now and just see if we can eliminate a few more little bits. Trying to see what's crossing and stuff. kind of not 100% sure yet if I do want to have it as one tree or as 3 separate trees. Let me know what you think. Do you think it'd be better as one, make it look like one big tree, or should I separate the 3 trees, kind of give them most of their own space? Is this one starting to come out a little far now? And I look forward to getting it outside so it can really start to grow properly. And hopefully, like I said, that won't be too much longer. Okay, I think for now that'll do. I've pruned all the long ones off. It'll do for now until we get it outside and we can get it growing and get it. Did take quite a bit off. What's wrong with me? Okay, I'll just give it a weed in as well. The weeds are starting to pop up. I have a couple more of these, and I put them into my little greenhouse kind of thing, see how they get on. I didn't want to risk this one yet. For the sake of it, I'll just wait another couple of weeks, make sure we definitely are into spring. There's no fear of any more real cold nights or anything. Not that we've had any this year. Okay, so you can see all this lighter stuff will eventually die off. All these light roots, just leaving the thick heavy ones that are growing into the soil. It should look pretty good. They're all well locked onto each statue now. There's nothing holding them on, they're holding themselves on. I've taken all that stuff that I had holding them on off. So yeah, it's doing quite well. So we'll leave it go for now. We'll put it back in now it's trimmed back. At least there's a bit more light can get down to these lower branches. And like I said, I'll face one to this side just to try and help get it growing on this side a little bit more. The fact that there isn't a tree here is probably why it's like that. I decided to have a tree. These are quite close, these are quite close, but there's a bit of a gap between these two. They're both on that side of the statue. I probably should have put one on this side of the statue in hindsight, but we have this second branch of this one coming out this way, so this will fill out eventually. Okay, so that was just a short video on giving that a quick pruning. Nothing too major, it just needed doing. I could do more if it was going to be a while before I took it out, but I do think it's going to be coming out in the next couple of weeks, so we'll just leave it till then and we'll have a better look at it when it's out and it can get plenty of sun on it and it can really grow strong. So we'll leave it at that. Yeah, that's about it for this one. So just a short one, but as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.